Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2016 Chevrolet Silverado. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint with black alloy rims. They're aftermarket alloy rims. We have our black fender flares, as well as full line truck bed, four-wheel drive V8 engine, and brand new windshield. We also have our rain guards and front and rear privacy tint. Now moving on to the interior of the Silverado. At our door panel we can see our two-tone black and gray, our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, as well as down below we have our speaker and storage. Side of the seat we have our manual seat controls, and then left of the steering wheel we have our lighting controls, as well as a credit card holder and some storage for change. Our gauge cluster, cruise control located on the steering wheel, trailering mode on our gear selection stalk. Then we have our infotainment screen. Below that we have our radio controls, climate controls, vehicle controls, and charging outlets. 3 cup holders in the middle area here with padded leather center console lid with phone holder. Some more change holders, and this folds up to become a third seat in the front. On the ground we can see we have full rubber matting across. Prevents, it makes it easier to clean up spills. We also have a little change holder in our four-wheel drive controls. You can see we have four-wheel drive low, neutral, two-wheel drive, and four-wheel drive high. Front seats are featured in gray fabric. And above the rearview mirror, we have reading lights and a sunglass holder. Back onto the exterior, we can see our black aftermarket alloy rims, those fender flares, Silverado badging in chrome, as well as our tint, black mirror caps and door handles as well to complete the black aesthetic of the vehicle. Down in the back, we have our chrome rear bumper with bumper steps, hitch, then our full line truck bed. Onto the rear interior now, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats, we have our magazine holders. And back of the center console, and back of the back seats are featured in a 60-40 split. They fold down just in the line there with a center console. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.